I'm Dr. Ho, teach TESOL like a pro.
Semantic mapping, double your students' vocabulary and writing power. Semantic mapping is a powerful teaching tool to expand students' vocabulary and boost their writing skills. Let's break it down, Dr. Ho style. You have heard of the magical number 7, right? Dr. George Miller at Harvard University discovered that the human brain can hold 7 plus minus 2 chunks of information at a time. But here's the magic. If we treat language as chunks, not just single words, we can remember double, triple, heck, even 7 times more English than before. That's memory magic. Semantic mapping works a lot like mind mapping, and it's been widely used across education, psychology, business, science, and even creative writing. So, how do we apply it in the English classroom? Part 1. Expanding vocabulary. Let's say your lesson theme is shopping for clothes. Start by drawing a semantic map with the topic in the center. Around it, create categories like items, materials, colors, sizes. Give a few example words under each category to get students started. Then it's time for action. Work in groups to list as many vocabulary words as you can under each column. You have got 5 minutes. After that, each group will come to the board and share. The team with the most accurate words wins. One student presents their answers, guide the class through pronunciation and meaning. For example, cotton means a soft, white material that comes from a plant. It's used to make clothes like t-shirts and jeans. Repeat after me. Cotton. Boom! Engaging student-centered vocabulary building. Part 2. Elevating speaking ability. Now that students have built a rich word list through semantic mapping, it's time to activate the vocabulary through speaking. Goal. Move from word knowledge to oral fluency, using sentence patterns, pair work, and real-life shopping scenarios. Step 1. Build useful sentence patterns. Start by modeling simple but functional shopping expressions using the categories from your semantic map. Materials. What is this shirt made of? Is it 100% cotton or a mix? Colors. Do you have this in other colors? I like the blue one more than the red one. Sizes. Do you have this in medium? It's a bit tight. Can I try a larger size? Items. I'm looking for a pair of jeans. How much is this jacket? Step 2. Dialogue practice. Let's use our word list to create real questions and answers. Student A will be the customers and student B will be the shop clerk. Use the vocabulary from the semantic map. For example, what's this jacket made of? It's made of leather. Let's try another one. Part 3. Developing writing skills. Now let's try using semantic mapping to tackle writing. Step 1. Create a semantic map. Write the theme and unforgettable shopping event in the center. Then branch out into WH questions. Who, when, where, what, why, how. Step 2. Brainstorm with prompts. Model the brainstorming process using simple examples. Who? My best friend. When? Last summer. Where? A night market in Bangkok. What? A red silk dress and handmade sandals. Why? A great deal and fun bargaining. How? Exciting, funny, and a little chaotic. Encourage students to brainstorm their own responses individually or in pairs using the vocabulary from their semantic map. Materials, items, colors, sizes, etc. Step 3. Turn ideas into sentences. Help students use their brainstormed ideas to write full sentences. An unforgettable shopping experience happened last summer. I went to the night market in Bangkok with my best friend. We bought a red silk dress and a pair of handmade sandals. It was unforgettable because we bargained in English and got a great deal. It was exciting, funny, and a little chaotic, but we laughed the whole time. Step 4. Teach transitions and paragraph structure. Show how to connect sentences into a paragraph using transitions like first, then, during that time, in the end, to sum up, etc. Last summer, I had an unforgettable shopping experience in Bangkok. I went to a famous night market with my best friend. First, we walked past dozens of colorful shops. Then, we found a stall selling beautiful silk dresses. I bought a red one, and my friend found handmade sandals. During that time, we practiced bargaining in English. It was so fun. In the end, we saved money and made great memories. To sum up, the night was exciting, full of laughter, and one of the best shopping trips I have ever made. Why it works. This activity helps students transfer spoken language and vocabulary into writing. Use WH questions to organize their ideas. Build fluency and confidence in narrative writing. Practice transitions and paragraph cohesion. Wrap up. Now you see the power of semantic mapping. It helps students expand vocabulary. It trains them to generate and organize writing ideas. And it transforms your students from quiet, passive learners into confident, active language producers. Ready to try it? Leave a comment below if you have used semantic mapping before or if you are going to try this week.